Okay, so good morning, student.
Morning, sir.
Last class I remember we have solved exercise 13.2. Full question was over.
Yes, sir.
Last question I gave you homework. I remember
Yes, sir.
cardboard was given by the school for
Yes.
the competition. There were 250 students, and you need to find out how much area of cardboard will be provided by the school. Okay, for the competitor. Fine. So that exercise was over. Video is clear.
Yes, sir.
How happy? Okay. Clear na? Hi, clear na?
Yes, sir.
Time is going on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will share that group. Keep it here. They will share. Or is it necessary that boy should share?
No. It isn't.
Okay, ready?
Yes, sir.
Exercise 13.3, it is given diameter of the base of a cone. Diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeters. The diameter has been given. So we will say that radius of a cone. Radius of a cone. Radius of a cone. Question number 1, exercise 13.3. Exercise 13.3. Question number 1. Radius of a cone. Okay, so radius is half of diameter. So diameter is how much?
10.5.
So we can write this as 10.5 by 2. Okay, centimeter. And its length height is given 10 centimeter. So we'll say that slant height of a cone. Slant height of a cone. Right. Slant height of a cone. Slant height of a cone. And slant height is represented by L. And that is how much? 10 centimeter. Okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Find its curved surface area. Nitin, this is your first class. Hira, what is the lateral surface area of a cone? Lateral surface area of a cone.
Sir, pi RL.
Pi RL. Where you have seen? Okay, sit down. So in the question it is said that find its curved surface area. So we'll say that CSA of a cone. CSA of a cone. That is equal to pi RL. Do we know R?
Yes.
Do we know L?
Yes.
Ha means how? This one.
Yes.
Yes.
Na means this. R is given. L is given. Don't give wrong signal. Pi RL. Pi is 22 by 7. R is?
Then
10.5 by 2.
L is?
10.
10.
And this 2 and this can be cancelled. 7 and this can be cancelled. 1.5.
165
165
centimeters.
centimeters square. That's all. When you multiply this one, you will be getting 165. Okay? Okay?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Now next question. Find the total surface area of a cone if its length height is 21 meter and diameter of its base is given. So diameter of its base. So we can write slant height. Right, slant height of a cone. Question number 2. Slant height of a cone. Slant height of a cone, in bracket you will write L. And that is how much?
21
21
21 meter.
meter. And diameter of its base, that means you will write radius of a cone. So radius is R. Diameter was given, so radius will be half of that, that means 24 by 2 meter. And in this case, this will be 12 meter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now in this case, you can see that radius was 10.5 by 2. This 2 and this cannot be cancelled, that's why I have leave it this way. But here 24 by 2, that can be cancelled by 2. So we have cancelled that and we have written 12. Okay? If something is cancelled, you cancel it and write. Otherwise, leave it that way, no problem. You need to find what? Total surface area. Right? Right? Madhurja, total surface area of a cone.
Pi r into L plus L, L plus R.
Sit down. So we'll say that TSA of a cone. TSA of a cone equals to pi r into r plus L. Okay, pi r into r plus L or pi r into L plus R, same thing. Pi is 22 by 7. What is r? In the question they told you to take pi as something or what? No. So r is 12 and this is 12 plus
21.
21. This cannot be cancelled. Okay. So this can be written as 12 into 22. How much? 24, 24. 264. 264 by 7 into, and this will be 33. What was this? What was this?
Bell.
Starting. Already 10 minutes pass, I think. 10 minutes is pass. Okay, multiply this one.
8712.
8712. I think so. I don't know. 8712 divided by 7. Now divide it by 7.
So it will come in point.
You can keep. No problem. Decimal.
445.24445.7.
1, 1244.57 meter square approx.
So we can write 1244.6 meters. 1244.6 meters square.
You can write that also. But actually, when you write meter, remember that meter should be written. If you are having a decimal, you should have 2 number after the decimal. If you write in kilometer, you should have 3 numbers. Okay? So if you write 57, okay. If you write 6, no problem. Same thing. Okay. Meanwhile, just see question number 3. What is given? Just see. Question number 3 is been given. Curved surface area of a cone is 308 centimeter square and its slant height is 40 centimeter. Find radius of the place. Okay, first of all you write slant height of a cone. Slant height of a cone. Slant height of a cone. And that is how much?
14 centimeter.
14 centimeters. So 14 centimeter. And CSA of a cone is 308, I think. 308 centimeters square. This chapter you can't solve until and unless you know the formula. If you know the formula, then only you can apply. CSA of a cone is what? Adhiraj? Pi RL. Sit down. Pi RL equals to 308, you can say, right? Now pi means 22 by 7, R means, we don't know, L means 14 equals to 308. Now this 14 and this can be cancelled. Now you are having R equals to 308 by 2 into 22. Now this can be cancelled with 11. 11 twos are 8 are. Now 2, 14, 2, 7. So you are having R equals to 7 centimeter. Okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So in the question it is said that CSA curved surface area of a cone is 308 and its length height is 14 centimeter. Find number 1, radius of the base. मजाक में आंसर मिल गया. Number 1, we got the answer. Okay, CSA and we got radius. Okay. Now number next, what they told you to find? Number TSA. Now you know that TSA of a cone, Palki.
Pi r into
Pi r
into L plus R.
L plus r. Sit down. So pi r. Formula is pi r into r plus L or L plus r. Do we know r?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do we know L?
Yes, sir.
Then we can apply number 2. TSA of a cone. TSA of a cone equals to pi r into r plus L or L plus r. Your choice. Pi is 22 by 7. What is r?
7
So 7
plus
plus
14.
14. 7 7 cancel. 22 into
21.
21.
462.
462.
462.
Yes, sir. 462.
462 centimeter meter.
Centimeter square.
Centimeter square. That's all. You see? Are you able to understand? Where you have taken this beautiful haircut? New airport.
Airport hotels are there in Satyabaad and near Divide.
Which place? I am not able to understand.
Sir, there are Tina hotels are there.
Which hotel?
Sir, Tina hotel there.
Ah,
There.
okay, okay. Can I rub this? Okay. Now question number 4. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Ready everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the question has been given. A conical tent is 10 meter high. Means height of a cone. It's not slant height. Height of a cone. So right, height of a cone. Number 4. Height of a cone, let it be h, and that is 10 meter. A conical tent is 10 meter high and the radius of its base is 24 meter. So radius has been given, so we'll say that radius of a cone equals to 24 meter. Okay?
Yes, sir.
In the question, they told you find slant height of the tent, but generally they will not give you this way. They will say that find the cost of canvas required to make the tent. Okay, they will not give you to find the slant height. They will tell you to find the cost. Okay, find the cost of making the tent. So when you make the tent, definitely the clothes or whatever plastic or whatever things you are using, that has been used on the lateral surface area. So anyhow you have to find lateral surface area. I'm clear? But in the question it is given find the slant height. So definitely you have to find. Okay? So number 1. You need to find what? Slant height? So right, we know that. We know that. Why and how we can find slant height?
Height. Sir, I was not present on Monday, sir. First day.
This formula was given so many years back. Who can say? Pahari?
Sir.
Ravi?
R square plus S square.
R square plus
S square.
L square. Who can say? Only 2 students. 3, 4, 5. You can say? Okay, Himshika.
X square equals to X square plus R square.
Yes. Sit down. L square equals to R square plus H square. This formula has been given and I told you that this formula is used to find the slant height. Any 2 things will be given, you can find the third thing. Okay. Now L we don't know. R is 24. So 24 square. H is 10 square. L square, 24 square is 576 plus, and this is 100. Oh, this will be root over 676 and this will be I think 26.
Yes, sir.
So 26 meter. Now in the question, second part is given, First one is to find the slant height, that is our. Now second part is given, find the cost of canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. So we will say that, okay, first of all you should know that this area, okay, this cloth, where you are using this cloth? CSA? Have you got CSA? No. So first of all we will find the CSA. Okay, so number 2. CSA of a cone. CSA of a cone is what?
Pi r.
Pi r l. What is pi?
22.7.
R is 24. L is 26. Can it be cancelled or what?
No, sir.
No? Leave it this way. They don't told you to find the CSA. They're telling you to find the cost. Okay? Okay. So we'll say that this is the area. That means this much area need to be
Covered means
covered with canvas.
canvas.
Okay. So CSA of a cone is this one. Now we'll say that therefore the cost of canvas. Okay, therefore the cost of canvas at the rate of rupees how much? 70
Per meter.
per meter square equals to, I am writing it here, okay, equals to rupees 70 into whatever area you are having per meter square, that means 1 meter square cost is 70 rupees. So we were having this many area, right? Are you getting my point or not?
Yes.
So we'll write 22/7 into 24 into 26. 7 and this can be cancelled 10. Now multiply this one, whatever you will get, that is the answer.
1,37,280.
Yes.
Whatever, 1 lakh
137,280.
37
280.
280. So everyone multiply and just check if you are getting this answer or not. If you are getting this, well and good. If you are not getting this, again well and good. So everyone got this same answer? Okay. Now let's move to question number 5. Question number 5 is, question number 5 is, question number 5 is what length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide? Tarpaulin is one type of cloth which is used to protect from rain. Okay, like you have seen suitcase cover, generally they protect that. That means simply you can say that is a one type of raincoat. Okay. So what length of, have you seen car cover? So that is tarpaulin. Okay. What length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meter? Height is being given. So write height of a cone. Height of a cone. Yes, height is given. Number 5. Height of a cone 8 meter. And base radius. So radius of a cone 6 meter. Okay. I am reading once again. What length of tarpaulin? 3 meter wide. Generally, when you buy clothes, they are in the shape of a rectangle. Like when you go to market, like suppose you went to tailor shop, you want to make this shirt. Okay, so when you want to make this shirt, they used to cut from a piece of, that is from a cloth. Huge amount of cloth they have, white color cloth. When they open and when they cut, you have seen, I don't know you have seen or not, its shape is like a rectangle. Have you seen or not?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen? Even female, that means girls, they used to wear this one, churidar and all and so many things. In the initial stage, it is like a rectangle that has been cut and that has been stitched and it forms in different shape, right? So initially it is in shape of a rectangle, okay? So here tarpaulin is in the shape of a rectangle, you need to find its length. Breadth is given, wide is given, that the what length of tarpaulin, 3 meter wide, okay? Wide is given, that means breadth is given, you need to find the length. Is it clear to everyone? So right, length of a tarpaulin cloth. Oh, sorry, breadth of a tarpaulin cloth. Breadth of a tarpaulin cloth. Breadth of a tarpaulin cloth. Breadth of a tarpaulin. Tarpaulin cloth. Okay, let it be capital B, and that is equal to 3 meter. Okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
I'm reading question once again. What length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide? That means what length you will be required? Will be required to make a conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius 6 meter. Assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching, margin and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. And they are telling you to find take pi as 3.14. It has been given that the cloth that we are using as tarpaulin, that is been used to make the conical tent. Okay, so when we make the conical tent, we never use cloth on the ground. Is it clear? We make on the lateral surface. Okay, so we'll say that, can we say that whatever the cloth we are using, that means the area of a rectangular, that means tarpaulin cloth.
Yes.
Same cloth will be equal to the area of the, that means CSA of the,
Yes, sir.
excuse me, CSA of the
Cone.
Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Suppose this cloth is been used to make the tent. So can I say that this area and the area of the tent will be same?
Yes, sir.
Because same cloth is been used. Okay? So can we say that according to question, area of the cloth, area of the tarpaulin cloth equals to CSA of a
Cool.
cone. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Now this tarpaulin cloth, how it looks?
Rectangle.
Rectangle?
Rectangle.
Oh, 1 minute. CSA of a cone is? Do we have L?
No.
So we miss this one.
Yes, sir.
No problem. We are having space here. Right hand side? Right hand side we are having space. So you can write there. Okay. We know that. Write small, okay? We know that L square is equal to R square plus H square. Try to adjust in this place only, okay? So L square, trouble? Any problem?
No, sir.
Whom you are watching?
Nobody, sir.
64 and this will be 36. Now L equals to 100 and this will be 10 meters. So sometimes we need to adjust little bit. Okay? Done? Okay, so area of the tarpaulin cloth. Area of the cloth is what?
3 into
L into B.
yeah.
Rectangle. It's a rectangle, right? So we will take capital L into capital B. Why we are taking capital N and capital B? Because there was radius and height, and that has been taken small letter. So other things should be taken in capital letter. Okay? Now this equals to CSA of a cone pi r l. Okay? Do we know length? No. Do we know breadth? Yes. Pi is 3.14, they told you in the question. R is how much? 6. And L is 10. Now when you need to find L, this will become, don't multiply, just keep it this way. 3.14 into 6 into 10 by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Now when you multiply this one, you will be having 62.8
Yes, sir.
meters. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now in the question it was said that extra 20 centimeter was used for stitching, wastage and margin. In every cloth there is a margin. You can see every cloth, when you observe, there will be a margin, this one. They used to fold and they used to keep some cloth inside and they used to stitch it, so that it will be tight, it will not tear easily. Understood? Every cloth, here also you can see there is a margin. You can observe in every cloth, even in hanky also you can see. Okay, in a hanky also you can see that there is a margin. Okay. So they are saying that an extra length 20 centimeter is being used for wastage, margin. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Wastage, margin and
Stitching.
stitching. So we'll say that therefore total length, right? Therefore total length of the tarpaulin cloth, total length of the tarpaulin cloth equals to, already this length is available, so we'll say that 62.8, okay, meter plus, and stitching margin and wastage is how much? 20 centimeter. But you can see that they are two different units. This is in meter, this is in centimeter. So we'll convert centimeter into meter and we'll be having 0.2 meter divided by 100. Okay, now you'll be having this, and when you add this one, you'll be having,
63 meters square.
that's all.
Or 63 meters.
Okay, so your answer will be 63 meter. Questions are easy if you understand. If you get any confusion, you can ask me, okay? Many students they are asking that, sir, what will be the syllabus for final exam? Syllabus for final exam. Whatever is been taught in before half yearly, these chapters will come or not? Do you think your baby? Huh? Do you think your baby, class 9 students are baby? Do you think or not? No? No? Baby, they have less syllabus. You are not baby. It means entire book will come. Whatever the topic has been deleted by CBSE, those topic will not come, rest everything will come. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This year. Next year more book will come. There won't be any deleted chapters. Because this year we are suffering from coronavirus, right? It's not, we can't say that next year also there will be coronavirus. It can be cured also, okay? Okay, question number 6. Ready? What's the time? Do anybody have watch? No. I think think one question we can solve, one or two questions. Question number 6. The length, height and base diameter of a conical tomb. Conical tomb. Do you know what is a tomb?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen Taj Mahal? On the top of the Taj Mahal,
Yes.
have you seen?
Yes. Two.
Heart, yeah, dome. So that is called tomb. Okay? Like this is the pillar of the Taj Mahal and on the top, like this. Okay, so that is called the tomb. So it is like a cone. Okay? So the slant height and base diameter of a conical tomb are. So slant height is given. So right? Slant height of a conical tomb. Question number 6. Slant height. So let it be L. Slant height of a conical tomb. Slant height of a conical tomb. Slant height of a conical tomb. What it is? 25 meter. 25 meter. The slant height and base diameter. Diameter is been given. So can we say that radius of a conical tomb? Radius of a conical tomb. Radius of a conical tomb. It will be 14 by 2 meter and that will be 7 meter. Okay? Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface area at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. That means for every 100 meter square, you need to pay 210 rupees. So what amount we need to pay to color this conical tomb? So when we are coloring this conical tomb, it is said that we should color it from inside. That means we need to find the CSA. Okay, so we'll say that area to be CSA of a cone is
RL.
we know pi, we know R, we know L, so no need to worry. Okay, so area to be painted equals to CSA of a cone. CSA of a cone is pi R L. Pi means 22 by 7. R is 7 and L is
25.
so this cancel. I think 550
550.
meter square. Okay.
Yes.
But in the question they told you to find the cost of painting
Yes, sir.
or whitewashing.
Whitewashing. The curved surface area.
Whitewashing, huh?
Yes, sir.
So here we need to change area to be whitewashed. My mistake. I thought that painting has been given. So the cut this one and write whitewash.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And at the end, last, therefore, the cost of whitewashing at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So per 100 meter square we need to pay this much. So for 1 meter how much we need to pay? We can say 210 by 100. Yes or no? This is 1 meter square. This much money we need to pay for 1 meter square. How many meter square are need to be colored? 550 into.
5.
Are you getting my point or not?
Yes.
1 2 1 2. Now this one 105 105.
155.
So 1155. Correct?
Yes, sir. 1155.
So this is the answer. Next two question you will try it by your own. Okay? Do it now. Thank you.